Hello everyone, it's Martin here. In this video I want to talk to you about the current age concept of the MarkBirds database. And the current age concept is basically what it says it is. It's the current age of the bird at this moment in time. And it's something that I would like to see each time I look up a bird in the database. That, for instance, for this particular herring gull, even though I've last seen it in May last year, at which time it was older than 10 calendar years, if I look it up today, I would still like to see that today it has an age of older than 11 calendar years. Now, of course, you can calculate that age yourself and add it from the list here, but because this is a database, it's much more efficient to let the database calculate this for you. Now, whether or not that's possible depends on a few scenarios and the kind of information that is or is not available. So let's have a look at a few of those. Now, the most common scenario is that when you've been out in the field and you've seen a bird that you want to add to the database, and you've seen it for the very first time, so you have no information about that bird whatsoever. So let's have a look at that. Let's add a fictitious bird, and let's keep it simple by just adding a mallow ring at a particular position. And at this moment in time, I don't have any information about where it was ringed, the date it was ringed, and the age at the time of ringing. So all I can do is add the bird to the system, and as you can see, there's no current age information available at the moment. But of course, we've observed the bird, so we can add an observation. And let's say we've observed it today, January 2016. And let's say it was an adult herring gull, so that would be older than 4 calendar years. And as far as we know, that's now the current age of the bird. So if I now save the observation, that observation age is now used as the current age. And if I would observe this bird once more, let's say tomorrow or next week, if I now add an observation, that available current age is then used to already populate the bird age for the observation. So that is something that I wouldn't have to do when adding new observation for the bird. So that saves me a little bit of time. Now the next step in the process is of course to submit your observation, and then hopefully you will get the ringing details back. And then you can update the details in the system. So let's do that. Let's go to the marker events. And let's say that we've received information that the bird was ringed, well, I don't know, 10th of September in 2010. And it was ringed as a first calendar year. And as you can see, as soon as that information is available, the current age is automatically updated. So I can save those changes. And you can see that the system detects that this information has been updated and is asking you that, well, I've seen that there's at least one observation available in the system for this bird. Would you like me to update those observations? Well, yes, I would like to do that. So click yes. Now the bird age for all observations of this bird have been updated. Let's have a look. So I would expect that the observation should show a bird age of a 7th calendar year. And that's true. The database has automatically updated that for me. So that's the most common scenario. The other scenario is of course that when you do add a bird to the system, you do have all the information available, such as location and the date and the bird age. And when you now add this bird to the system, I have to of course add a ring, and I add the bird to the system. The current age is automatically calculated. And again, when I add an observation, again that current age is used as the observation age. And that's how working with the current age in the MarkBird database works.